Alex just trying to crawl.
How many super letters do we need?
There you go. There you go.
You doing it, Goose?
Super letters.
Go
She looks like a frog. No, she's going forwards.
Goose is like a hoppy.
Listen, this angle looks like a frog. Yeah, we're talking about you.
Time to
Hey.
transform.
We're talking about you.
Ready.
This is gonna make diaper changes even more fun.
Put your arm in.
Can you show us again?
Super readers.
Oh, Goosey.
Alphabet with alphabet power.
Can you move?
Wonderland with word power.
Here, go get Minnie Mouse. Go get Minnie.
Look at her. Go, Goose, go, go.
Uh-oh, you're going backwards. Uh-oh, backwards. Oh, there you go.
Super you with the power to help.
No TV, kiddo. There you go, scoot.
We are the super readers.
Now you're doing like Superman.
Fly flyers.
Now you're going backwards.
We're ready to fly into this.
Alex. You getting up? Are you trying to crawl? Are you trying to crawl? Yeah, you. Aren't you a little bit small to be crawling? What do you think? You go? I'm just gonna drool. Let's see it. Can you get up again? Get that butt up. Whoa. Right now you're really going backwards.
Goose, go.
And say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye.